foreign currency reports. We will generate a few foreign currency reports. First, we will select supplier reports. We will select supplier balances days outstanding report. Now in this report you can see there's a filter that use foreign currency. If you tick this option, this supplier balances will display in supplier's currency. We will generate the report by clicking view report. Now you can see that first supplier transactions will display in, or balances display in GBP, and second supplier balances will display in ZAR. We will generate the report again by unticking this use foreign currency. Now you can view the balances in home currency, that is ZAR. You can see in previous reports it's supplier's currency. Now all the transactions will display in home currency, and you can see that in the previous report, use foreign currency report, you cannot see grand total. However, in this report, in home currency report, you can view the grand total. Next we will move to customers report, customer balances days outstanding report. We will generate balances by use foreign currency and view the report. Now in this report also you can see that first customer balances will display in USD and second customer balances will display in home currency, that is ZAR. And we will duplicate this tab and we will generate the report again. This time we will generate transaction report in home currency. Now you can see first customer and second customer, both balances will display in R, and you can see the grand total. In customer report also, if you view foreign currency report, you cannot view the grand total.